Hi, I guess I'm just one of those people who were simply born with a poor quality hair. Years of experimenting with various diets and hair care products did very little for me. But fortunately, all that changed after I discovered Life Hair Care products and Pure Argan Oil. I've been faithful to them for a while now, and I can clearly notice how my hair looks healthier and grows much faster. So if you want to do something good for yourself and your hair, visit www.arganlifeproduct.com and get some of these amazing products. The fast shipping service with DHL and perfect customer service of Argan Life Company only add value to your purchase. Enjoy!